Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you two simple practical tricks to paraphrase a question statement. You know what? I was just like you. I kept getting a 6.5 on the writing test until I discovered these two methods. Using these two methods, I was able to paraphrase the question statement accurately on the exam, even though I didn't know many synonyms. I finally increased my writing score from 6.5 to 7 on my fourth attempt. These two methods are super easy to use. Anyone can master them. Let's jump right into it. So the first method is to change the form of a word. You can change a noun into an adjective or into a verb. Take this question for example. Since most information about culture and history can be found on the internet, museums are not needed anymore. Do you agree or disagree? So there are two parts in your introduction. You first paraphrase the question statement. Paraphrase this part. You then give your opinion. We will only discuss how to paraphrase the question statement in this video. So one of the key phrases in this question is information about culture and history. How the heck can you paraphrase it? There is no way you can find any synonyms for these words. Don't worry, you can use this method. Changing the noun culture into the adjective cultural and history into historical. So now information about culture and history becomes cultural and historical information. The second trick to paraphrase a question statement is to change the structure of a sentence or clause. You can do this by using the there be structure. For example, here the question says museums are not needed anymore. You can change the structure of this clause by using there be. There is no need to have museums anymore. So now the entire question statement becomes there is no need to have museums anymore since most cultural and historical information can be found online. I'm not done yet. Another way to change the structure of a sentence is to change the active voice into the passive or the passive into the active. For example, be found is in the passive voice. We can change it into the active voice, since people can find the most cultural and historical information online. You see, super easy, right? We change the nouns culture and history into the adjectives cultural and historical. We also change the sentence structure by using there is and the active voice. The third way to change the structure of a sentence is to use it is that or it is who to give emphasis to your sentence. But don't do it unless it's 100% necessary. Take this question for example. This is actually the question I got in my real exam. Some people think that children should be punished if they commit a crime. Other people believe that their parents are the ones that should be punished. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. As you can see, the question uses parents are the ones that give emphasis. We can use it is who instead. Others feel that it is parents who should be punished. Now, let's see if the other techniques work here. So one of the key words in this question is the verb punish. We can change it into the noun punishment. It is parents who should receive the punishment. I really can't say enough how important this technique is. I wouldn't have got a 7 on the writing test if I had changed the punish into penalty. These words actually do not mean the same. Changing word forms is how you can paraphrase a word accurately. Now, can we also use the there be structure here? Yes, we can. We can say some people claim that there should be certain types of punishment for children who break the law, while others feel that it is parents who should receive the punishment. So here we change the structure of the two clauses. We also change the form of the word punish. This is exactly what I wrote on my real exam. No fancy words at all. But this is actually a very accurate paraphrase. That's one of the reasons why I got a 7. Now, before you go, I have a question for you. Can you use the two tricks you learned in this video to paraphrase this question? Cultures around the world are becoming more similar than ever before. Why is this happening? Do you think it's a positive or negative development? Let me give a little hint here. Try to change the form of the word similar and use the there be structure. Feel free to share your answer in the comment section below. I reply to every comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.